Okay, when you start out to sharpen the Wensel Woodsman, you're going to need three things. You need a good big flat file clamped to a work surface. A Sharpie pen helps, and of course your broadhead. This is a brand new Wensel Woodsman. You can see it's got a very sharp point. I'm going to take the Woodsman and my Sharpie pen and I'm going to mark the edges of the broadhead so that I can see as I grind away on the file where I've removed metal and where metal's not being removed, and that way I know when I have a complete full sharp edge at a consistent angle. When you've got the magic marker applied to the edge of the broadhead, just take a broadhead and lay it down on the file. Now notice this file is wider than the width of the broadhead, and that's important. You need a big file. Anyway, lay the broadhead down on two blades, just like that. Grab it about in the middle, and then push it into the teeth. You could probably pull it into the teeth from the back side. I don't see it makes a lot of difference. Do enough strokes to where you remove all of the magic marker. I can see I've got a little bit left up here towards the tip. Just a little bit more pressure up towards the tip. Usually I count strokes in between edges, so I'm taking metal off evenly around the broadhead. That keeps it symmetrical. I put two hands, one at the back of the back edge of the broadhead and one up towards the front of the ferrule, and try to apply even pressure. If you grab it with just two fingers and put pressure on it, it tends to remove more metal in the middle than it does out towards the ends. Okay, that's pretty good and straight. So I'm going to go ahead on and do a couple of light strokes, just alternating in between strokes. At this point, the arrowhead is ready to hunt, except that you still have a real pointy point on the end, and this can be a weak spot. And what I do on this is just put it on your file. I'm going to turn it around so it cuts. Put it on the file. Lift up the tail end about a 45-degree angle. Give it a quick pull. Same thing. Flip it over. Lift up the tail. Give it a quick pull until you've done all three sides. This takes away the tip really quickly. A couple of passes I think will get us where we want to go. Let's see if we can get that in focus. And it dubs it back just enough to where it strengthens it a whole lot. Makes it go in easy too.